Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. In the last video we did our first drawing on SpaceClaim and we did the dimensions on that sketch. So in this video we'll start with a new draw and let's start or begin together by sketching this draw. The draw for today, it will be with some new features that we didn't do before. So let's start draw this sketch. So we go in SpaceClaim to the sketch mode, we choose an axis, and after that we click on the plan view. So I will start now from the right side of this picture, and let's go to sketch and choose line. From the line I will choose the origin and I will go up with 3 millimeter and then go left 3 millimeter and after that with 4 millimeter up. Now as you can see, it's not so clear like how to draw that diagonal like edge as you can see on that draw. So we can for now like exit the sketch and let's start from the first or the origin point from down. So in this case it will be easier and so we can close it later on when we finish the draw from the other side. So from the down side, as you can see, we have an edge with 14 millimeter including the radius R3 millimeter. So how to do this? So we click simply on this edge and let's do it with 14 millimeter. And the other perpendicular edge, as you can see, it's 10 millimeters. So we draw 10 millimeter and now we can exit the sketch. Now in order to create this radius at this location, you have like multiple way. The easiest way actually is to go up into modify and you can choose the create rounded corner and he will like eliminate like automatically the rest line of lines or the edge or the corner that we have. So that's why it's the easiest way. So we click on it. I go and click whatever I want on this line and on the other line, but without clicking. So for now we have 3 millimeters. So I write 3 millimeter and hit enter. And as you can see, he drawed the radius here and he eliminated the corner that we had before. So we are finished here. As you can see, we have a circle here with a radius 1.6 millimeter. So we go to circle. I choose the origin point here. As you can see, its diameter here mentioned, so we have to multiply this by 2. So 1.6 by 2, it's 3.2 millimeter. And hit enter. So now let's go up and as you can see we have like a half circle. You have also like multiple way. You can draw like a whole circle and after that we can trim the other half from down, but we can do it like also like in easiest way and that's by using this feature in ANSYS. So we have the 3-point arc. We click on it and I will start from this point. It's 4 millimeter diameter, so we should like go 4 millimeter. After going 4 millimeter, we click, and now as you can see, you can move the angle. And as it is like a full circle, so it has to be like 180 degree like this, and we click on it. As you can see, without trimming, we get like this arc as it should be. Now we go back to line. We start from here and we go to the right with 2.4 millimeter. And now as you can see, we just have to close our sketch by clicking on the last point we started with. So we have this sketch for now. What we have missing for now is actually the polygon at this location. So to do this, there is like in the ANSYS and there are create tab above, there is a polygon like feature here as you can see. You click on it and as you can see, and without like changing anything in the settings, if you go to the center here and we are looking to do it with a width of 2 millimeter. As you can see here, if we wanted to do it with 2 millimeter, it's not as we want. We want like from the vertex to vertex to be actually like 2 millimeters. So how to do this? So for now, I will go without clicking, so we can exit right now. We don't draw anything yet. I will go to polygon, click on it. After that, we go to the left under the general here, and we disable the use internal radius. When we disabled, so what we did right now, so we are measuring from the vertex to the vertex from the polygon and not from edge to edge. So, and this is in our case, it's like with 6 sides, as you can see on the draw down, and it's 6 sides in this model, and we are with 2 millimeter as a diameter. So I hit 2 millimeter and click enter. And as you can see, now we have the polygon as it mentioned in the draw below to the right. And now we are finished with our like second drawing. So for now, let's start and put the dimension on this sketch. I will go to design and click on the 3D mode. So we can start now with putting the dimensions. We go back to detail, and actually let's like make the size of the font of our like dimensions like a little bit smaller. So in order to do this, you go to the size or value here, and let's move it from 3.5 to 2.5. And now I go to dimension and choose dimension. And now we can start. We have to choose, of course, the surface at which we want to put the annotation, which are the dimensions in our case. And I will choose this line. And as you can see, the font size is suitable now for the size of the whole sketch. So we click there. We have 3 millimeter there. We have here 4. Down, if we click only on this edge, he will give us the length of only of this edge. So in order to get the distance from this edge to this edge, all what you have to do is to click on this edge and on this side here, and you go down. So we have the total length, which is 40 millimeter. Now the radius here, which is 3 millimeter, and up we have a diameter here with 3.2, which is the radius multiplied by 2, as you can see here. So right now, go to the other side, and with the same strategy, actually now, because we don't have an edge at the above line, we choose this point and this point, and we go this. So we having 10 millimeter. Now up. Here we have a radius of 2 millimeter, and that drawing it's like diameter 4 millimeter, so we are only on the same. After that, we have from this point to this point, we have 2 millimeter, and finally this edge was 2.4 millimeter. As we saw before, we exit now the sketch. We click on the annotation plane, go to outline, and click on no outline. So as you can see now, we have the full sketch with the dimensions, and we are finished for now. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series, and feel free to comment if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.